Nothing Phone 3 is making waves on the internet. A big leak coming in directly from the brand. Nothing has just teased a new image of the upcoming Phone 3 on X, calling it a result of ultra-precise engineering. At first glance, it might look like another continuation of the brand's signature design language, but a closer look reveals a different story, one that may not sit well with longtime fans, especially those who admired the transparent design and glowing Glyph interface that gave Nothing its distinct identity. But before we dive into further details, please like and subscribe our channel for early tech with fun updates. Now, this new image appears to be more than just a teaser. It might be a big hint at a major design shift. The close-up reveals clean edges, a circular cutout, and a curious tab that raises more questions than answers. While it still carries a familiar Nothing aesthetic at first, a detailed examination points toward a revamped Glyph layout, a fresh camera setup, and possibly even a new modular design direction. There's no full picture yet, but this snippet opens up a new possibilities. Could this mean a larger camera bump with some sort of mechanical element? Is Nothing planning to introduce a periscope-style lens or magnetic accessory system? And that mysterious circle design, does it hint at a redesigned SIM tray or a new kind of hardware expansion port? What's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Looking back, Nothing made its mark with bold design choices, transparent backs, LED-based notifications, and a retro-futuristic charm. But recent leaks suggest the Phone 3 might ditch the Glyph interface altogether. The teaser image seems to support that idea. Not a single LED is lit up. Instead, the vibe feels cleaner, more mechanical, and perhaps more focused on practicality than aesthetic flair. If Nothing is indeed stepping away from Glyph, they must have something big planned to fill that gap. Maybe this is a move toward a more premium model aimed at advanced users. It could also suggest a shift to modular tech, smarter add-ons, or even a refined Glyph system that's less about flash and more about subtle innovation. And who's to say this teaser is for a phone at all? It might be pointing toward a new kind of accessory, something like a smart case or wireless charging solution. Whatever it turns out to be, one thing is clear. Nothing is preparing for its most significant transformation yet. Whether it's a design overhaul, a complete shift in user experience, or a bold new product category, the company is definitely building up to something unexpected. Furthermore, this time, Nothing is making a bold move into the premium segment, with CEO Carl Pei officially stating that the Phone 3 will be the company's first true flagship. This signals a major shift in strategy, as the brand moves beyond its mid-range roots to compete directly with top-tier smartphones. As for the pricing, the Nothing Phone 3 is going to be priced at around $1,000. But the same price might get adjusted in India to make it more affordable to a large number of Nothing phone users. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.